Datage USB 3.1 Padlock Encrypted SSD. Aluminum material, heat dissipation and strong structure, integrated with alphanumeric keypad. Built-in USB 3.1 cable to using USB 3.1 Gen 2 high performance for SSD. Based on true hardware AES256bit encrypted. The chip controller by FIT certification. Only one way to input true password. Can mount and visit drive. Real-time encrypted data by AES256bit algorithm. Support read-only protected setting. Press and hold 1 OK into advanced setting. And press 2 key to setting read-only. Input password to unlock. Now the drive state is read-only. Only can read data, cannot word or delete data. Click My Computer, and click Format. System will mark drive be write protected. This function can protect SSD data, such as delete, format and modify, etc.